So Sanket, I closely resemble you with the Three Idiot character Farhan. I mean, played by R. Madhavan.
Okay.
So, I mean, I know that your life has been somewhat like that. So, I mean, tell us your journey, man.
Actually, man, I actually saw that movie, saw that character, but when you told me Farhan, I was like, oh, actually, I am actually that. I was that person, and it happened to me. Thanks for realizing that. So yeah, sorry, what was the question?
So, how has your journey been? What's your story?
Okay, so I don't know how to begin because it's a big journey, but to directly start with that, how I landed up from an engineer to running a video production company is when I was I would say not in my engineering journey, but from my 11th standard, I was really focusing more on something different.
Okay.
No goal, no plans that I want to become a music producer or this, I want to become a dancer, but I was more interested into extra activities than studies.
Got it.
Wasn't that I was bad in studies, I was doing good there also, but था अंदर से कि कर रहा है कुछ तो और कर रहा है. And firstly I was a music producer. I used to play keyboard, so I used
What?
to
Seriously? I didn't know this. Okay.
yeah, so I started making music and I made 2 songs, and then for the second song to make the video I didn't have a budget. The first video was a lyrical video. For the second I want to do a video. So for that I literally found a person that उसके पास कैमरा है so that मैं कर लूँ and cinematography वो कर ले. So Prathamesh, who is now also with me as a photographer in Neo from last 4 years, I found him and we decided to make this video, second video of mine. So for that, now I didn't know what's editing, I didn't know direction, anything, but I had a sense of direction because I used to watch movie and I was very closely with films and all, film direction and music direction. So I learned how to cinematograph for that video, only for that. No plans that I want to become this. I learned what is editing and all, and somehow we made that video. Okay. And I made that video and थोड़ा और वीडियो में इंटरेस्ट नहीं, बट आते गया कहीं से तो कुछ ना कुछ. देयर वाज नो प्लान्स, बट इसका वीडियो इसका कि कर रहा हूँ मैं, वीडियो भी, म्यूजिक भी चल रहा है, बट वीडियो भी हो रहा है. Then after some time, one of my friends said that, do you edit videos? Because I saw ऐसा. And I was like, no bro, I am a music producer. But he was like, okay, I have my company and I want to make some small videos and I'll pay you. I was like, oh, I'm getting paid. Because I had no intentions. When I started making music, doing whatever, I had zero intentions that I am going to earn from this field. No intention. The only intention was I want to become an artist. That's it. Yeah. So when he started giving money, and at early stage when you get money, थोड़ा सा greed नहीं, but होता है कि यार मैं कमा रहा हूँ. I am not relying on my parents. Okay. I can go chill with my friends with this money. That was the intention. Not something that I want
casual.
To. Yeah. And he showed me videos which were not videographers from India. They were from some other countries.
Okay.
And I was banged. I was like, shit, what is this? And again, I had no intentions to become him, to start my own company and all. But I was like, भाई मुझे ये करना है, मुझे ये वीडियो बनाना है. And I used that person. His name is Omkar, who was my friend. And I tried and errored on him this videos. And he was into fitness. And when his circle saw these videos, they were like, shit, ये वीडियोस भी होते हैं, मतलब फिटनेस का ऐसा वीडियोस भी हो सकता है. बिकॉज इन इंडियन फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री नो वन मेड दैट वीडियोस इन होल इंडिया दैट टाइम.
Wow, man.
That was why I got good amount of exposure in fitness industry of India.
So initial start, you guys started getting fitness clients.
Exactly, because first clients was that.
Correct.
So yeah, so I mastered that on that type of videos then.
Wow.
Which finally became my style.
Got it.
And then I started getting paid. It was very natural. Okay. It happened very smoothly. I started from 400 rupees. I charged him for first video. That also I was like, कितना charge करूँ इसको? मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था. So I charged him like 400, and then slowly I started getting clients. Then this happened when I was in 3rd year of engineering. Okay. And by the time I was in 4th year, I got an offer by a person to go to Dubai with him.
Okay. Wow.
To shoot his videos, and that was like a collab. That
this was your first big break, you can say.
That was literally my first flight. I made my passport because of that.
सही है यार.
And when I posted this, everyone was mad. Like, shit, this guy was doing videos, but now this is what has happened. So when I went to Dubai, I got a lot of inspiration. Then I started seeing this not as an artist in this, but as an overall goal and career. That this world is really big. There's a lot of money. There's a lot of inspiration. There's a lot of work going on. So that Dubai trip gave me that thing. Then when the time came where I realized, oh, I'm doing engineering also, and placement का scene आ गया था. January में placement start होते हैं. घर वाले is like, you are not going to do any videos because first you're going to get placed in any company and then you're going to resume it. Okay. And that time I was like, I didn't still have plans. I want to become a videographer full time. I was focusing on my placements, and then because they were pushing me, I started taking that seriously. And finally I got placed in 3 companies.
What?
Okay, Infosys, Wipro, and और एक कोई तो था which I don't remember. And you won't. I still remember that day when I got placed in Infosys, and before I was home, my Didi, my Jiju, mom, dad were already with sweets in their hand.
What?
Yeah, I was like, shit, ये formality मेरे घर पे हो रहा है. Because the thing what I want to tell is they were very serious and happy about getting a job.
Correct.
Okay.
वो
And
होता ही है.
yes.
Typical Indian parents and.
Yeah, because all of the years they have been putting investment and money and efforts on me was for that day when I came in with a job.
Infosys ka
yes,
job.
Exactly. And Infosys. It was like, yeah. But behind that, I was really confused that really whether I'm going to do this job or shall I pursue my hobby, artistness, my career in this field. So I was confused. And
Tough
then,
night.
Yeah. No, that wasn't my tough night. I was going to that point that my friend Omkar, when he was like, he was my mentor. He's my mentor. And he used to always guide me that this is not just an hobby. This is now your career, business, and focus in that way. It's not just about how you make videos. It's also about how you make connections on everything.
Correct.
So I went to him and I told कि मला job लगला है. मेरे को job लग गया. And ऐसा he was like, are you serious? Then why are you doing all of this? He was like
pissed off.
I was like, I will do Infosys job and Saturday Sunday I'll do videos. He was like, this is not possible, bro. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Okay.
Correct.
You will be a generalist then. You won't be
Specialist.
Yeah. Exactly. He was like, he gave me 3 hours to decide that.
Okay.
Yeah. Either you can do this or that. Okay.
Correct.
And now in this scenario, I never thought of myself, my what will I become and all. I only thought of my parents that this is the time when they are so happy that after 22 years I got a job. This was the day they were looking for, and now I'm going to tell them that I'm not going to do this job. I'm not going to do engineering. So that was the thought that मैं क्या बोलूँ उनको, मैं कैसे बताऊँ. And Omkar was like, तू इतना firm चाहिए तेरे decision पे that even if your parents say that we won't allow you to stay in this house if you're going to do videography, you should be still ready. That if this is the mentality, then only come out with the thought that you're going to do in this field. And I thought, and so the thought that time was only one thing कि यार मुझे normal नहीं करना है कुछ तो.
Correct.
Because from 11th standard and all I was into lot of things.
Correct.
मुझे नॉर्मल लाइफ नहीं जीनी है.
सिर्फ पढ़ाई कभी की ही नहीं.
या मुझे नहीं नॉर्मल बनना ही नहीं है. मुझे 9 to 5 नहीं करना है. मुझे लोगों के जैसा नॉर्मल नहीं करना है. मेरे चॉइसेस भी तब नॉर्मल नहीं थे. कुछ तो अलग रहता था. इट वाज ऑलवेज डिफरेंट. सो जस्ट द इंटेंशन वाज नॉट दैट नॉर्मल करने से नॉर्मल सैलरी मिलता है. मनी वाज नेवर द इंटेंशन दैट टाइम. इट वाज जस्ट दैट नहीं, आई डोंट वांट टू लिव अ नॉर्मल लाइफ. I want to be someone. I want to make someone in this field.
Correct.
Okay. So just because of that thought, I came out of the room and I was like, okay, even if my parents say you are out of the house if you are doing this, I'm okay with that. But I will do my passion.
Correct.
That is it. Because I am happy in doing this passion. I can't see myself working in something I don't love.
Got it.
And I'm glad I took that decision very soon. A lot of people take it late or maybe they forget their passion.
Got it.
They are continuing their job. So yeah, this is how I came into this field. So that was the story. And now whatever happened rest was because of lot of things, hard work,
Got it.
connections, team, and etc.
At what point of time did you actually get to know that this photography thing, the new age photography thing, is not a one man show, and how did you go about that? How did you start building up?
Yeah. So there was a creator who was whose name is Sam Kolder.
Okay.
He was something जिसके वीडियोस देख के मैंने देखा कि ये टाइप के वीडियोस एक्चुअली फैसिनेट पीपल, ओके, नॉट नॉर्मल पीपल, like normal videographers.
Got
So
it.
that person was a freelancer. He was known as Sam Kolder. Okay. So two years I was Sanket Patil. Okay. 2 years I was my fame, my name used to. I want my name to be greater. Okay. 2 years I did this. Then I got a question from lot of people that do you want to grow as a solo person or do you want to go as a team?
Yeah.
Okay. And दोनों का pros and cons है. If you go as a name, then you will have a brand value, you will have a brand face. People will know, oh, संकेत आ रहा है शूट में. I will be like, okay, मैं आ रहा हूँ तो मैं इतना पैसा लूँगा आने का, ये सब. And if I go as a team, then there are a lot of plus points. One is that you cannot go very long alone.
Correct.
You have to have
I
a team.
agree totally.
Yeah. So that is one thing. Second is I cannot do all the things. Some point I will get restricted. मैं अगर मैं एक दिन का 1 लाख रुपए भी लेता हूँ तो मैं 30 लाख पे आ जाऊंगा. 30 दिन काम भी करता हूँ तो मैं 1 करोड़ का सोच ही नहीं सकता.
Got
But
it.
अगर मेरे साथ और 10 लोग हैं तो मैं कमा सकता हूँ उतना.
3 करोड़ तो हो गया.
Yes. वैसे तो मतलब when it's a team, that is second thing. And from like an inner feeling I got a vibe that no man, I don't want self fame and all. I want to do it with a team.
Grow together.
Yeah. And then I started joining people to my vision. More of like कि मैं किसी को employ लिया. It was more that this is my vision, this is my type of videos, and let's do it together.
What gave you strength to start Neo?
There's no strength, man. It's just risk taking. Why if I had to simplify a normal person and an entrepreneur. So normal person doesn't mean I am offending them. But if one thing that is different is entrepreneurs are always risk taking. Okay. Normal people में भी होता है. बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो वीडियोग्राफर्स हैं, मेरे से भी अच्छे हैं, मुझे पता है, बट उन्होंने कभी रिस्क ही नहीं लिया है. रिस्क घर पे बताने का, रिस्क क्लाइंट को बोलने का कि भाई मैं कर सकता हूँ तेरा वीडियो, इवन इसको पता ही नहीं कर सकता, बट मैं फिगर आउट कर लूंगा, मैं रिस्क ले लूंगा, मैं तुझे रिफंड दे दूंगा. रिस्क ऑफ taking a deal, big deal which you might not know, you have never done before, but you will learn and do it. So that risk taking factor I had from a long time. So I was like, I'll hire people, even if पैसा नहीं आता है, salaries वगैरह I'll do through my pocket, whatever happens, let's see. उतना negative तो आया नहीं था. It was always just potential about good things.
Yeah.
So it happened very smoothly. It wasn't like आज मैंने start किया, I'll hire one sales marketing this. First I started with someone who would help me with editing because I was mainly into connections with people and shooting. Then I got more to editors. Then I got 2-3 deals which needed one person from my company full time there. Then I was like, oh, security आ गया. This person is giving me monthly stable income. Then I'll hire someone and then team भी बड़ा होगा and then stable income भी आ रहा है, safety हो रहा है. So it took 2 years for me to be a company from a freelancer. So it's been 4 years that I'm into this field, and 2.5-3 years I was as Sanket Patil, and from last 1 year, so January is when Neo was formed. As
January
a company.
2020.
Last year.
Okay.
So it's 1 year now. Before it was more like just one person was there, and it wasn't still like company functioning. It was still like कि हाँ दिख रहा है Neo है, but अंदर गड़बड़ चल रहा है. Now it's properly like on the route to be a company.
Very nice, bro.
Yeah.
And so now that you say that it's almost been 1 year and more, and your total career of 4 years, how do you feel looking back?
And I never thought on this. I'm actually thinking on this question for the first time, but I only remember one thing is that when I was in 11th, 12th standard, when I was in my tuition classes, no one can किसी को नहीं पता चलेगा कि मैं क्या था तब. The way I was that person, the only people who can tell that how I've changed will be those people who were there with me in 11th and 12th standard. I was literally thrown out of class by my sir because I was caught using mobile फॉर द सेकेंड डे एंड फर्स्ट डे मुझे पेरेंट्स को बुलाया था बिकॉज ये लड़का मोबाइल यूज़ कर रहा है. मेरे पेरेंट्स को बुलाया
Same
था.
reason.
Yeah, and second day I was caught again. I was so not concentrated into studies and career and goals, anything. तभी मेरा goal एक ही था, Facebook. That was my goal. That was my flex. And my circle was very bad. They used to, my mind used to get provoked to bunk classes. I used to bunk classes like this. एक second नहीं लगता था मुझे आज सोचने में कि बंक करना है मुझे.
इंस्टेंट रिएक्शन हो गया बंक.
एंड आई यूज्ड टू डोंट केयर घर पे क्या होगा देखा जाएगा. माय ओनली थिंग वाज बंक. एंड आई आल्सो बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू कम बाय साइकिल टू क्लास एंड लॉट ऑफ other my friends who used to come by bike, they used to get good pocket money. I didn't used to have money to go out with them. Sometimes I used to not get bullied, but ऐसा होता था कि भाई ये मतलब क्या है, रहता है ना एक पर्सन
छोड़ दो इसको.
हाँ, मतलब बहुत हल्के में लेते थे. कभी कभी कुछ भी बोलते थे मुझे सुनकर लेना पड़ता था. ऐसा बहुत मतलब वो 11th-12th का फेज़ मेरे लिए बहुत बुरा था. गोल्स तो छोड़ो, मुझे पता भी नहीं था मैं 12th के बाद क्या करने वाला हूँ. लिटरली आई डिडंट न्यू मैं इंजीनियरिंग कर रहा हूँ कि क्या. आई डिडंट हैव एनी गोल्स, ज़ीरो गोल्स.
And what engineering did you do?
ENTC, electronics. Yeah, okay. That was only because my parents told me. मुझे मैकेनिकल करना था जस्ट बिकॉज हाँ चल रहा है मैकेनिकल बॉयज़ करते हैं. बट बिकॉज दैट इन दैट कॉलेज PCCR वेयर आई एम पास आउट फ्रॉम, वहाँ पे द कट ऑफ वॉज हायर फॉर मैकेनिकल. आई हैड टू गो इन ENTC. लाइक दिस इज हाउ आई चोज माई करियर ब्रो. दिस इज हाउ, बिकॉज कट ऑफ उधर ज़्यादा था तो मैं ENTC में घुस गया. जीरो गोल्स नथिंग, जस्ट हाँ कर रहे. बट बिकॉज एंड ऑन थर्ड ईयर बिकॉज आई गॉट a circle of my clients who already had some goals, visions and their company, and because I changed my circle, that is the only reason where I am today. People who have the talent in them, but because they are in the wrong circle, you will never pull out that talent from you. You have to be in a circle where you are seeing them, oh they were normal and they are this today because of they came out of comfort zone. Whenever you are what you are with your friends.
Correct.
As मतलब घर वाले मम्मी बोलती है.
Somebody very wisely said that if you tell me who you be with, I'll tell you what kind of person you are.
Exactly. That is the quote for my life.
Yeah. Exactly.
That is the thing that changed me. Yes.
और ये पूरे जर्नी में who was your one concrete backbone who I don't know, I mean was there with you physically, or you know some people take motivation out of series.
Okay.
कोई characters को देख के motivation लेता है because not in every person's life a physical person is there.
Yeah.
So what kept you going? Backbone किसको बोल सकते हैं अब तक की जर्नी में?
See bro, to be honest, just because कैमरा है मैं एक बड़ा नाम ले सकता था, but to be honest no one was there. मतलब ऐसा कोई person भी नहीं था online जिसको देख के मैं मोटिवेट हो रहा था, और ना ही मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि मेरे घर वाले मुझे सपोर्ट कर रहे थे.
So I guess the answer is you.
Yeah, the answer is I don't know. The answer was only the hunger inside me. That's it. There's no one who supported me. I just fought myself. Even in, you won't believe, after going to Dubai, after having a lot of clients, after earning in lakhs in 2019, in 2020 when the COVID hit, when I was home, my parents said this कि बगितला ना, you saw, गया, सब कुछ गया अभी, now do a job. This was my like even after that stage, I was like I always gave them a hope कि even if this didn't work out, I have so many connections that I'll easily get a job. It was एक था, and to give them a satisfaction कि I'm safe, don't worry. I said that statement and my dad repeated that statement that you said this, that you will get a job, now go and show me and get a job. Show me that you can get a job. But that wasn't the time to get a job.
Correct, exactly.
But yeah, still I will say even today when I have a team of 11 people and everything is going smooth, my mom still wants me to do a job. Not because whatever I'm doing is she's not proud of, but because she wants me to live a normal life. कि भाई
steady income चाहिए.
हाँ, steady income से अच्छा कि जा रहा है 10 बजे, घर पे आ रहा है 7 बजे, फैमिली टाइम स्पेंड कर रहा है, नॉर्मल है, यहाँ वहाँ भाग रहा नहीं है, रात को सोने का प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रहा है, ऐसा ये सब. सो शी वांट्स मी टू लिव अ नॉर्मल लाइफ एंड आई एम लाइक सॉरी ये नहीं होगा मेरे से. लाइक आई कांट लिव नॉर्मल लाइफ.
You know, people don't get this math. I'll simplify it for you. I mean, what I feel is, so obviously, I also got the same questions from my mom and she was talking about this, but मैंने बोला कि मेरे whatever the dreams I have, whatever the passions I have, future aspirations I have, if those can't be fulfilled, so I was working at that point of time जब ये conversation चल रहा था, तो mom asked कि करना चाहिए, यही करो, अच्छा है. तो मैं बोला मेरे मैनेजर के मैनेजर के मैनेजर को भी नहीं परवड़ेगा what my dream is. तो what's the point doing that job? अगर वो नहीं अफोर्ड कर सकता आफ्टर हैविंग 15 years more experience than me, then why the hell should I continue? Where is it going to take me? Same position that will also take 15 years. In अपना whatever the appreciation will be, वो add करके तो it is anyways going to be out of the pocket. Then why should I be in that repent or regret कि 15 साल पहले एक chance था जो मैंने नहीं लिया? So I don't want to be like that. So I totally understand where you're coming from and what parents say, you know.
I won't say that my parents didn't support me.
No,
but
obviously.
Every parents want their child to
सबको
be
बच्चा
safe.
बस एक शेल में चाहिए, प्रोटेक्टेड चाहिए, हर जगह से सिक्योर्ड चाहिए,
Exactly.
और उसका हेल्थ अच्छा चाहिए.
See, all the parents will want this, guys. Everyone will
Very
want this.
natural.
It's on you that do you want to break that chain insert. No one in my whole family is a businessman today,
Same.
and I broke the chain finally. So I did it. I took that step. So that's
Congrats. I mean, I just want to say congrats on that because बाद में you know as Steve Jobs rightly say, ये connecting the dots होता है ना, whenever you can't look forward and connect them. जब आगे जाओगे तो पीछे 5 साल जब देखोगे ना तो you will connect.
Exactly.
And you will get to know कि I did a good thing and my decision was right. Sanket, tell us about the photographers or videographers you follow. I mean about them, and who do you consider to be a role model in your life?
Okay. See, again, when it comes to videographers I follow, I just followed their work. I didn't follow their story.
Exactly.
Okay. So I don't have. So as I said, initially I started with Sam Kolder. There's a very good fitness videographer whose name is Nabil. And then और छोटे थे.
कहाँ से मिले ये?
Films. Bro, my one friend showed me.
Okay.
One friend who actually introduced me to Omkar. His name is Nikhil. So he showed me that देख ये लोग ऐसे videos बनाते. And I was like, I was again banged on. And then because I started following those people, I was into that zone. और अगर मैं short films वालों को follow करता तो मैं आज short films बनाता.
Correct.
But because it's again you are what, as I say this every time to a lot of my friends and team members, that before it was like you are the average of 5 people you're living with, but today it's you are the average of 5 people you follow on Instagram.
Very true, very true.
So because I followed good people, I was into that zone. Okay, even now if you see, I follow 0 meme pages. I don't follow even my sister, anyone, because I don't want distractions. 24 hours, from 24 hours I'm half of the time on Instagram, because that's my job, okay, to keep checking what trends are going, what music is there, and I don't want to distract. बीच में एक किसी का कुछ personal life आ गया, वो दुबई जा रहा है, मैंने vlog पे click किया, देखते बैठा मैं. I don't want that, because it has happened. I stopped editing and started watching, and I was like, oh, मैंने क्यों खोला था Instagram? ये सबके साथ होता है, but I wasted 25 minutes here. So I am very.
This is so true.
Yeah.
So true, and it is very connecting right now because Reels has made it crazy.
Yeah.
People keep watching it for hours and hours, and then get to know I fucking wasted 2 hours.
Exactly. So I'm very particular who I follow on Instagram. So yeah, that time also I followed this. There's not some one person. There are like bunch of creators who I used to follow, and now it's huge. It's started growing now.
Got it.
Yeah.
And I want to talk about your collaborations, okay? I'm very proud of them. I think the initial one I saw your collaboration with Tiger Shroff. You recently covered the NH7 Bacardi Weekender. Now the recent concerts also you covered, Divine, Darshan Rawal. So how did you go with these collaborations and how did they come to you? And what impact that had with on Neo?
Okay. So yeah, I would say 50% of what I am today for my company is because I collaborated with people. Okay. Recently we aren't doing any collaborations as मतलब अभी तो इतना लेवल पे आ गया है कि दर्शन रावल एंड डिवाइन का शोज ही पेड है, तो क्यों करे कोलैब? मतलब it has to be something very great then. But I started with collaboration. I still support collaboration. I'm still open for collaborations because दोनों का फायदा है उसमें. Even that person gets something which is good and I get an exposure. So back then, 4 years before, my father purchased me 20,000 rupees Nikon 5200 camera.
Okay.
एंड तब मैंने उनको ये नहीं बताया था कि मुझे इससे वीडियोस बनाने एंड पैसे कमाने, वो कभी नहीं लेते थे. फिर मैं बताया कि एक कैमरा लेते यार चाहिए, मैं बहुत पीछे लगा. एंड दैट टाइम व्हाट इज टू हैपन इज दे यूज्ड टू गिव मी लाइक टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन कि अगर यू गेट एन डिस्टिंक्शन you will get this, you will get this.
वो तो
I bought my guitar because I got distinction in first year, then I bought my keyboard because ये फिर एक 2-wheeler लिया, फिर कैमरा भी distinction, ऐसे कर करके because passing in exams and doing good there was very easy. It's good for all the creators and artists because वो ये सब चीज़ करे then exam को crack करना is nothing for them. They know the hack. It's with everyone. Okay, they are not very good in studies, but they know how to pass exams. Do good. I still don't know what is a diode. I forgot what is a diode. Even if I spent 4 years with diode. Okay, but I got distinction in all my exams. I know that. So coming back, I got that camera because I got distinction, and then I started doing videos with it. I went to Dubai with that camera.
Okay.
It wasn't good, but still I went because videos were good. And then finally when I got like a motivation and I got safety कि हाँ मैं ये फील्ड में सर्वाइव कर सकता हूँ, I bought my first good camera Sony A7 III 1.4 lakhs then. उसमें से I think I don't remember few amount I took from one friend, थोड़ा जीजू ने दिया, थोड़ा डैड ने दिया, थोड़ा मैंने कैश डाला, ऐसे करके मैंने ले लिया with debt. Okay, and then उसको लेके I started watching some good fitness athletes. Okay, and I had to reach out to them somehow. So I उनको DM किया, उनके फ्रेंड्स को देखा कि वो किसके साथ है, उनको DM किया, फिर मैंने देखा उनको वो किसको फॉलो करते हैं और मैं उनको फॉलो करता हूँ, तो फिर म्यूचुअल होगा तो उनको पूछ के कि भाई मुझे इसके साथ शूट करवाना है. ऐसे 1 year I did collaborations only with paid shoots also but collaborations also. सो पेड शूट से क्या हो रहा था कि पेड शूट से क्लाइंट खुश हो रहा था और वो क्लाइंट के फ्रेंड्स वो काम देख के और क्लाइंट्स आ रहे थे. करेक्ट. एंड कोलैबोरेशन से डिजिटली मुझे क्लाइंट्स आ रहे थे और आई वाज गेटिंग रिकग्निशन ऑन
एक्सपोजर मिल रहा था.
एग्जैक्टली. सो फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री में व्हेन आई डिड कोलैबोरेशंस विद सम ऑफ द गुड एथलीट्स लाइक दीपिका, एनाबेल एंड जुनेद, बहुत कोलैब्स कर रहा था. आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड टू डू कोलैब्स. देन आई वाज लाइक रोज कोलैब किया तो भी चलेगा, एक महीना पैसा ही नहीं कमाऊंगा मैं. जेब से डाल के मुंबई जाता था,
नाम चाहिए बस.
हाँ, आई यूज्ड टू गो टू मुंबई, शूट देयर एंड कम बैक and do the video and post it, ऐसा वैसा.
But that's an investment I can say.
Yeah.
तब पता चलेगा संकेत पाटिल कौन है, मतलब at least they'll refer you, you will get going into their crowd circle.
Yeah, so collaborations is always up. It has always helped me. A lot of people, I have friends. There was one friend जिसको मैंने बोला था कि भाई एक वेडिंग है, मेरे को सच्ची अच्छा करना है उसमें, तू तेरा एक दूसरा वाला एक इक्विपमेंट है, थोड़ा कुछ अलग लाइट था, तू वो प्लीज़ लेके आ, हम उनको इतना अच्छा काम दे देना, पोर्टफोलियो भी बनेगा अपना और मैं मतलब क्लाइंट्स को दिखा सकता हूँ हमारा ये काम है ऐसा. एंड ही वाज लाइक नो ब्रो, मेरा ये अमाउंट है, अगर उनका बजट नहीं है तो मैं मेरे जो ऐसे इक्विपमेंट्स है जिसने मैंने मेहनत से कमाए लिए वो मैं क्यों लाऊं. उसका भी सही है, बट यू कांट हैव दिस मेंटालिटी दैट इफ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग एनीथिंग फ्रॉम दैट यू वोंट पुट दैट एफर्ट्स. नो, you have to think long term. Investment is something which can be in terms of time, not only money, time, efforts and everything.
Exactly.
So even if it's a free shoot, even if it's something that you are giving more, I know people who are like they use cameras to shoot depending on the budget of the client. Like तुम खुद से ही बोल रहे खुद को कि मैं अच्छा काम नहीं दूंगा. Man, you are a creator. Come on, you can't think like this. You can't be selfish in your own creation.
एट द कॉन्ट्री वो जो लाइट आप बोल रहे हो वो क्या काम करता है वो देखेंगे नहीं तो लोग आएंगे कैसे वो सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए कि हमको वो वाला लाइट वाला चाहिए, तो यू कैन मे बी चार्ज अ प्रीमियम नेक्स्ट टाइम. बट वो फर्स्ट टाइम 2-3 बार लोगों को देखना तो चाहिए को वो एक लाइट क्या इम्पैक्ट लाती है, तो टेस्टिंग तो चाहिए ना.
लाइट वाज लाइक घर पे पड़ा है तो एनीवेज दैट वाज सी इवन आई कैन बी रॉन्ग एट दिस टाइम. सम पीपल फील दैट नो you have hard earned this money and you can't put all your equipments in one shoot because you are not getting this is your bread and butter. Okay, but I have become successful because I did free shoots and collabs. it is what it is.
Power of collaborations.
Yeah.
And which have been your best collaborations, you can say, if you have to just go down the memory lane
Okay.
and think about it, कि ये मेरे को बहुत मस्त लगे, सीखने को भी मिला, नाम भी मिला, क्राउड सर्कल में घूमना भी बहुत हो गया.
So one was Deepika. She's
Okay.
like my sister now, Deepika Chaudhary. And second was
पादुकोण लगे.
नहीं, sorry.
Okay.
Okay, second was Annabelle. She's from the States and
Okay.
she was in India then, and I saw her on Instagram, and she actually commented on my video which was for Deepika, and she liked it, and then I saw her, and then I DM'd her, and then I went to Mumbai, and when I went to Mumbai, that was the time she realized that this guy came from Pune to shoot, and she was like, shit, you came from Pune for the shoot. And I was like, ये shoot तो मेरे बहुत बड़ा है भाई, पुणे क्या मैं दिल्ली चला जाता ये shoot के लिए. And I did that shoot, and that came out so well. That video was a point where I got exposure in fitness industry. That was one video which broke the thing which I was before that and after that. So I would say that. Second, yeah, these are the two I remember because they were initial. बाद में तो फिर वो बढ़ता गया. The initial ones are important whom you choose.
Correct.
After that lot of happened, but उससे इतना नहीं हुआ जितना मैं बोल सकता हूँ. मतलब हुआ अच्छा, but the
And
starting was
second
important.
thing I know is you got मतलब थोड़ा heterogeneity भी आ गई. It is not only fitness now that you cater to. There are weddings, there are pantaloons का shoot which you did,
Yeah, fashion.
or fashion. So it is a diverse portfolio of Neo right now.
Yeah.
Not only one.
Exactly.
तो वो सब भी होते गया.
Yeah, a lot of companies are very specialist in what type of videos, okay? And I do believe specialists are more better than generalists. Now, it's not that generalist, but lot of companies are, if they are doing commercial brands, they are doing only that. They are doing events, then only that. And if weddings, now brand videos, event videos and weddings is something very three different. जो fashion करता है, that people hate doing weddings, okay? But it wasn't the plan that मैं सब जगह करके रखूंगा so that सब काम आए and then मैं सब जगह से पैसा कमाऊंगा. ऐसा नहीं था. I just explored myself because wedding आ रहा था. एक ने पूछा wedding करता है क्या? ठीक है, मैंने पहला wedding भी collab किया actually. मैंने मॉम की एक फ्रेंड थी, शी वॉज लाइक मी एक लग्नात चालली आहे एंड प्रथमेश से तभी बात हुआ था कि एक वेडिंग वीडियो करते आ रहा है लाइक मी येऊ शकतो का शूटला एंड शी वॉज लाइक गेटिंग रेडी. 1-2 घंटा था शादी को, मैं तब डिसाइड किया कि ये वेडिंग का शूट करते हैं. हम दोनों गए कैमरा लेके और शूट कर दिया वेडिंग का एंड देन वो वेडिंग से दूसरा मिला. सो ओनली बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू डू इट एंड देन अगेन इवेंट आ गया बिकॉज फिटनेस इवेंट था एंड आई हैड अ पोर्टफोलियो इन फिटनेस, देन आई गॉट इवेंट. But I eventually saw that everything was going good. It wasn't that because we were into commercials.
और सब कुछ खुद एक्सप्लोर किया था. ऐसे नहीं कि मेरे को एक कंपनी फॉर्म करनी थी जिसमें मैं ये एक्सपर्ट्स को हायर करूंगा और I'll just sit.
Initially it was just.
So you explored every aspect of portfolio what you have right now in Neo.
Naturally. And then went out good. And even now we are getting amazing client testimonials in weddings. All the event videos are doing
Crazy.
great. All the brand commercials are doing great. So it's not that you have to be specialist. If you are good, just try and see. Maybe हो सकता है. So I just made a try and it's going good. So that's why we are into all type of videos right now.
Fingers crossed, man, and
Yeah.
I hope it grows more and more every day.
Yeah, man.
And talking about the good things now, coming down to what were the worst criticisms you have ever had in this 4-year journey, and how did you tackle them? या फिर ignore them or whatever. Tell us about that.
So criticism से लोगों से या नहीं था mostly. So it was more of the situations I went into, hard times I went into. So lot of times I was in Mumbai. I used to do shoots and मुझे नहीं पता था मैं आज रात कहाँ पे रहने वाला हूँ. मतलब मैं सोचता था ये होटल में जाओ क्या इधर 600 रुपये, इधर 400 है, इधर 500 है, ऐसा. So those were the tough times. Lot of times घर वालों को टाइम नहीं देना पड़ता था, दे नहीं सकता था.
करेक्ट.
ओके. लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स फ्रेंड्स को टाइम नहीं दे सकता था. एंड देन जब टाइम था व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग कॉलेज एंड घर वाले सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे थे इसको, बट स्टिल आई यूज्ड टू डू. सो देयर वाज सिचुएशंस लाइक दिस. ऐसा किसी से क्रिटिसिज्म नहीं मिला मुझे,
Got it.
टू बी ऑनेस्ट.
What do you think about the current education system in India?
Okay, yeah. I had to talk on this lot
Yeah.
because today, whatever I am, okay. To be honest, I have 0 degrees in filmmaking. Okay, I never went to a film school. I never did even one course of editing. मैंने एक editing का course भी नहीं किया है, ना cinematography का course किया है. Okay, but still whatever I am today, whatever videos I am making, okay, it's just because I learned myself.
Correct.
Okay, even when engineers are studying, hardly any engineers concentrate in class and make good in exams. They go on YouTube and see for good videos that is explaining कि भाई क्या है डायोड, मुझे नहीं चाहिए वो क्या करता है क्या कैसे है, वो है क्या, और मैं एग्जाम में जाके लिख दूंगा जो है वो. दिस इज हाउ द एजुकेशन सिस्टम नीड्स टू बी. आई एम नो वन टू चेंज इट, बट वट एवर आई फेल्ट लाइक ये चीज़ ऐसा होता है, अच्छा ये ऐसा होता है, उसका वर्क ऐसा है, तो ये वो है, ये लिखना है एग्जाम में, ऐसा रहना चाहिए.
Correct.
नॉट दैट कि रट्टा मारो और द वर्ड्स नीड्स टू बी सेम और दिस. भाई लास्ट में क्या चाहिए, ये चीज़ समझना है तुझे. मुझे समझना है कि वीडियो ऐसे निकालते हैं और ऐसा क्लाइंट को देने के बाद क्लाइंट को ये म्यूजिक पसंद है और ऐसा आउटपुट है. बस मेरा वही इंटेंशन था. मेरा नहीं इंटेंशन था कि लाइट्स कैसा चाहिए, ये क्लाइंट को भी फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है,
एंगल क्या है उसका.
नाउ इट्स मेकिंग सेंस, बट बैक देन इट वाजंट. ओके, सो एजुकेशन नीड्स टू बी मोर ऑफ what is an application, okay,
Got it.
nor not only what is inside your head.
Very
and
true.
in books. So yeah, that is it. I even now it might be rude, but whenever someone wants to join Neo, okay, or whenever we have interviews, I strictly मतलब एक नेगेटिव आ जाता है मेरे माइंड में अगर वो बंदा फिल्म स्कूल से, बिकॉज आई नो फिल्म स्कूल में सिखाते हैं ऐसे जो घोड़े के सामने ऐसा डाल देते हैं ना कि तुम्हें बस यही देखना है, वो रहता है स्कूल्स में या एजुकेशन में, यही है, इतना ही है वर्ल्ड,
वाइड स्कोप नहीं रहता.
एग्जैक्टली. व्हाट इंजीनियरिंग के कॉलेज में क्या सीखा है कि तुमको जॉब चाहिए, यही सीखा है ना इंजीनियर्स में. कभी ऐसा एक भी लेक्चर हुआ है कि बताए एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप क्या है, या फिर यही फील्ड में
इन्वेंशन क्या है,
यही फील्ड में तुम कुछ और भी कर सकते हो जॉब के अलावा, किसी ने नहीं बताया. जो भी लोग अभी सक्सेसफुल है उन्होंने खुद से एक्सप्लोर किया है, राइट. नो वन हैज. नाउ इट हैज स्टार्टेड. द जेन ज़ी people, they are seeing us and they are getting motivated and they are not concentrating on studies, they are doing good here.
yeah.
So yeah,
Hopefully in another 10 to 15 years this will also change.
I don't know man what's going to happen.
And talking about change, what changes have you seen in the photography industry when you were growing up? Like पहले कैसा था? Like I am very sure कि weddings और events पहले जैसे थे और आज जैसे हैं उसमें ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क है. So what do you think about the industry and how did it grow? Photography industry.
Yeah. See, this is not only photography. Everything in the world is changing in snaps. Okay.
Very true.
जो दुकान में कपड़े बेच रहे हैं उन्होंने क्या सोचा था कि भाई कपड़े तो कभी लोग पहनना बंद करेंगे क्या? नहीं मैन, मैं चलने वाला हूँ. बट फ्लिपकार्ट अमेजोन आ गया. You never know what comes man. You have to be ready for the change to evolve yourself. So when I saw the industry then, I followed people who were doing something different. Okay, right. आज जो भी इंडस्ट्री में जो भी लीड कर रहा है वो क्यों ऊपर है? बिकॉज वो कुछ अलग कर रहा है. Exactly. And you are doing the same thing, then you can never be that person. Okay?
Very true, yeah.
So I was always about to do something which जो common नहीं है in not only in life but also in videography. Okay. So I personally always followed and gave my clients things which are different. Okay. So back then and even now, people are there, photographers, videographers who are doing the same thing. Okay. But because they are getting good income by doing same work or all of that, it doesn't mean they have to change. भाई देखो बाहर बदल गया है सब कुछ. अभी तुम्हारा वैल्यू कम होते जा रहा है. Are you able to see it? Because the world is changing. Yes. Videos are now getting very different. Okay, the effects and whatever you used to use 6 months before, अभी वो सब पुराने हो गए. Before it was 2 years, now it's 6 months. Maybe it will be days in some days. You have to keep yourself so much evolved. So this is how I have seen the videography industry changing. Like from before, अगर एक टाइप का वीडियो रहता था वो 6 महीने के लिए सबको नया लगता था. अभी वो 2 महीने के लिए लग रहा है.
अभी तो रील्स भी आ गए हैं. इंडिविजुअली सबको खुद को ही लगता है कि मैं खुद का शूट कर सकता हूँ एंड आई कैन गेट दैट. एंड इंस्टाग्राम हैज प्रोवाइडेड दोस फिल्टर्स.
दैट्स द आंसर. दैट व्हाटएवर द क्रिएटर्स ऑन इंस्टाग्राम आर डूइंग नाउ, एडिटिंग, उन पे बहुत सारे कंपनीज का ब्रेड बटर चल रहा था। And अभी तो लोग तो इंस्टाग्राम रील पे
फोन पे हो रहा है,
किसने सोचा
लैपटॉप
था
खोलने की जरूरत नहीं है
कि इंस्टाग्राम ऐप पे एडिटिंग का भी फीचर होगा। नो वन थॉट दिस।
गॉट इट,
दिस इज हाउ द वर्ल्ड इज चेंजिंग।
यू हैव टू बी रेडी।
It's the industry, photography industry has and videography industry has evolved a lot.
Can't agree more.
Yeah, man.
Sanket, what's your advice to all the Farhans who are still thinking of doing a job because that will give a security, make their parents happy, because just like you, their parents are also waiting for that day कि कब बच्चा विप्रो, इन्फोसिस, TCS का एक ऑफर लेटर लेके आएगा and he'll do good in life and he'll start a steady job, have a steady income, start a family, be with family, वही life. So just like I mean you had your friend who told you कि 3 घंटा है, सोच ले, बाकी लोगों के पास शायद किसी के पास वो दोस्त नहीं होगा, तो उन बच्चे लोगों के लिए व्हाट्स योर एडवाइस कि क्या करना चाहिए?
ओके, सो एज वो सीन में एक उसका कहना था कि अब्बा मैं मे बी इंजीनियर जितना नहीं कमाऊंगा, बट जितना भी कमाऊंगा मैं उसमें खुश रहूंगा। गाइस, दैट इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग। ओके, दैट I know people now are in US doing MS and even their earning is more than my whole company. But it's not that because उसके लिए मैं MS करूँ यार, money is not the thing.
Correct.
Okay, so it's the happiness in whatever you're doing. Guys, try this. Like, try doing something which you love, and you will live your life like crazy. You will not even think of money for a second. Like, I know money is important in life. But that is the byproduct of whatever you are doing. If you are doing something good, hard working, you are doing something with love, पैसा आएगा ही यार, मतलब आता ही है। Like मैंने नहीं सोचा था पहले कि ये इंटेंशन से कि पैसा करना इसलिए फील्ड में आना है। It was more of love.
वो जैसे रांचू ने भी सही कहा है ना, एक्सीलेंस का पीछा करो, सक्सेस के पीछे मत भागो।
Yeah, exactly.
Just because एक यूएस में जॉब मिलेगा या जो कुछ भी होगा, पर एक्सीलेंस तो नहीं है ना उसमें। You are not excelling, plus you are not good at what it is. So think about it, what you're good at.
Yeah, lot of people don't think actually उनको सच्ची करना है MS, करना है क्या, मतलब एक खुद से पूछते ही नहीं है।
ट्रेंड चल रहा था बीच में, अरे बैचलर्स पे क्या होता है, मास्टर्स तो
अभी MBA का ट्रेंड चल रहा है यार। बहुत लोग MBA कर रहे हैं just because they don't ask themselves. Okay, खुद के अंदर जो डर रहता है ना, that मैं कर सकता हूँ या नहीं, घर पे बोलूँ। lot of people who are young, they are scared of their parents कि भाई आई कांट ब्रेक दैट ड्रीम ऑफ देम सीइंग मी बिकमिंग अ गुड इंजीनियर और सिंग। बट डूड व्हाट अबाउट योर ड्रीम? इस केस में नहीं, माँ बाप का नहीं सोचना, इस केस में तुझे सेल्फिश बनना है। ओके, एंड मेक देम मोर प्राउड देन बीइंग एन इंजीनियर देन बीइंग एन आर्टिस्ट और व्हाटएवर। ओके, यू हैव टू बी सेल्फिश इन दिस थिंग, यू हैव टू टेक दैट स्टेप एंड से मम्मी मैं ये नहीं करने वाला, मुझे नहीं पसंद है। 6 महीना तेरा बहुत बुरा जाएगा, घर वाले सपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे, बात नहीं करेंगे, होगा। ओके, हनी सिंह ने 1 साल या 6 महीने डैड से बात नहीं किया था बिकॉज ही डिडंट ब्रिंग अ कीबोर्ड टू हिम। ये रहता है डेडिकेशन, हु सेट्स आउट मेक्स समथिंग डिफरेंट।
एग्जैक्टली।
सो माय एडवाइस इज ओनली दैट आगे का मत सोचो, पहले ये स्टेप लो कि भाई आई एम ओनली गोइंग टू परस्यू दिस, दैट्स इट। जो होगा देखा जाएगा, फेल हो जाऊंगा मैं। गैरी वी सेज यू हैव till the time you are 30 year old, you have time to fail and try out lot of things.
अभी टाइम है, मौका है, कर लो।
People are 22 and they are thinking मैं फेल हो गया। 30 साल तक टाइम है तेरे पास।
Exactly.
So do mistakes and fail a lot, explore yourself and take risks. That is only what I want to say. I have taken a lot of risks. अभी भी मैं ऐसे projects लेता हूँ which I know I can't right now, but I know that I can do it after I put my efforts.
Got it.
उतना एक कॉन्फिडेंस होता है। सो जो डर है अंदर का, उसको कम कर दो। टेक दैट रिस्क, टेक दैट स्टेप, बिकॉज द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज इम्पोर्टेंट। बाद में का एवरीवन फिगर्स आउट हिमसेल्फ।
गॉट इट।
पहला स्टेप नहीं लेते तो फिर आगे कुछ नहीं। यू नो व्हाट, एक्चुअली
जैसे बोलते हैं ना, बिना कूदे स्विमिंग नहीं सीख सकते।
Exactly.
जब कूदोगे तो हाथ पैर मारने लग जाओगे, यू वोंट ड्राउन। नोबडी इज, हमारे पास वो इंस्टिंक्ट होती है ना, स्पेशली बेबीज में ज्यादा होती है। मैंने सुना है कि इफ यू थ्रो देम इन अ पूल दे विल सर्वाइव समहाउ, दे विल नॉट ड्राउन बिकॉज यू हैव दैट इन यू जो तुमको मरने नहीं देगा, बट कूदने का जिगर चाहिए।
एग्जैक्टली। ब्रो, आई डोंट बिलीव दैट मैं ये सब कोट्स बोल रहा हूँ, बट व्हेन आई वाज इन 10th स्टैंडर्ड और व्हेन आई वाज इन स्कूल और वहाँ पे कोट्स लिखे रहते थे, वो तब, और जब क्लास टीचर्स भी ये सब बोलते थे ना, तो वो ऐसे ही लगता था मैन. बट नाउ आई कैन रिलेट टू ईच एंड एवरी कोट that I saw in my books, my blackboards, and my teachers used to say. जो भी टीचर्स बोलते थे कि ऐसा ऐसा है भाई, वो सब सच है. हम टीचर्स को जो भी बोलते थे तब कि भाई ये ऐसा है वैसा है, बट नहीं, that is really when you can relate that in your life.
I think it's because वो जिगरा था और वो leap of faith लिया, ताकि now that you are linking it back, if you would have been doing a job right now, तो शायद मेरे को नहीं लगता लिंक बैक होता था या उसका मतलब आज भी समझता था. वो थॉट्स ही होते थे, तो तुम अपने बच्चों को आगे पास ऑन करते थे, ये थॉट है, ओल्ड इज गोल्ड, खत्म.
I would definitely
बिकॉज नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी को भी पूछा था ना, 12 years स्ट्रगल कैसे किया यार आपने, वो भी मुंबई में रह के. बोला और कुछ आता ही नहीं था ना, पता है दिस इज द बेस्ट आई कैन गिव, मेरे अंदर यही बेस्ट है, तो मैं और कुछ क्यों ऑफर करूँ.
एग्जैक्टली.
मैं क्यों ये करूँ, मैं क्यों वो करूँ. अगर एक्टिंग ही मेरा बेस्ट टैलेंट है और ये मेरे को पता है, तो मैं वही ऑफर करूँगा ना.
फोकस ऑन स्किल, दैट्स इट.
कल मैं तुमको बोलूँगा बाइक राइड करोगे क्या, बोलेगा बॉस क्या बोल रहे हैं.
घर वाले तो वही बोल रहे हैं.
एनीवेज, कमिंग टू आवर लास्ट क्वेश्चन, संकेत, व्हाट डज हैप्पीनेस मीन टू यू.
हैप्पीनेस,
और हाउ वुड यू डिफाइन, आपके लिए हैप्पीनेस क्या है.
ओके, फॉर मी, in practical terms, happiness is seeing my team members grow in whatever they are doing. Okay, because I am whatever I am, because whatever Neo is because of you. Even if यहाँ पे मैं मेरी story बोल रहा हूँ, मैंने team के बारे में नहीं बोला, but they have played a huge role. So watching my team happy is really my happiness, because वो लोग यार उनका life छोड़ के मेरे vision में आए हैं. So it doesn't mean that हाँ मैं उनको पैसा दे रहा हूँ, काम करने के लिए. इट्स नॉट दैट. सो फॉर मी पर्सनली हैप्पीनेस इज माई टीम्स हैप्पीनेस. सेकेंड हैप्पीनेस इज व्हेन आई एम डूइंग माई वर्क, माई जॉब. मैं अभी नाउ आई स्विच टू मोर ऑफ कि हैप्पीनेस इज समथिंग दैट आई एम स्विचिंग टू मोर ऑफ वर्क जिसमें मुझे पैसा नहीं मिल रहा है, मुझे हैप्पीनेस मिल रहा है. मुझे अगर 10 लाख का काम मिल रहा है और मुझे 1 लाख का काम मिल रहा है, बट इतना नहीं, बट 5 लाख का मिल रहा है, बट 5 लाख में ऐसा कि भाई मुझे खुशी मिल रही है.
करेक्ट.
और 10 लाख वाले में सिर्फ पैसा है. आई वोंट डू दैट. आई एम दैट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन. सो हैप्पीनेस इज माई वर्क, दैट्स इट. आई एम grateful for my life, that whatever I am today, I am really happy that I didn't chose to be something I am not, like an engineer, but
we are glad for that too.
Yeah.
So I mean, it's a very inspiring journey that you have said, because I know that जब तक ये होता नहीं है ना, तब तक बिलीव नहीं होता है कि यार कुछ किया है लाइफ में. But when we start talking about it and when people start feeling about it, which I personally feel about you, I can feel that you know ये बंदे ने कुछ किया है. तो that's why we wanted to know your journey. We wanted to know what inspired you, what broke you down, and how you got up and everything like that. And it has been a great journey, Sanket. And you are a, you know, I can say a good leader who thinks about his team. And I want to wish you all the very best. And you may achieve. मतलब I know that halfway भी नहीं आए हैं. Journey अभी start हुई है. So I just want to wish you all the very best for everything in future. And may you create wonders, man. So thank you so much.